Out here the wind speaks loud and clear. It tells me stories only I can hear. No horns, no chaos, nothing to destroy. Just hilltop silence my heart enjoys. Each step I take, I leave behind a heavy thought, a cluttered mind. Up here the world just fades away. Weightless skies keep night at bay. Rising higher, the air feels light. Mountains glow in day's last light. The world below is just a haze. Out here stars ignite my gaze. No need for voices, no need for sound. Echoes of freedom all around. The earth, it hums a quiet tune. The wind, it dances beneath the moon. Whispers of hope in every breeze. Cool solace wraps me in its ease. The sacred peak with endless views holds the secrets of life's truth. Rising high, the air feels light. Mountains glow in day's last light. The world below is just a haze. Out here stars ignite my gaze. Clouds are closer when you're standing tall. A whisper in the peaks where echoes call. You've climbed so high, but it feels so light. The world below fades out of sight. Height don't scare you when your heart is free. Up in the mountains, you're who you should be. Breathe that air like it's your first breath clear. The ground's a memory you're no longer near. The wind wraps round like an old friend's song. It carries you where you were meant to belong. Your worries scatter like the trail below. This is the truth that your soul should know. Feet may fall to rocks, might try, but the summit keeps calling, makes you fly. Not about reaching, just the climb, where the mountains give you the rhythm of time. Height don't scare you when your heart is free. Stars touch closer in the night's wide span. No need to chase, just dust from where you began. Each step forward feels like home you've missed. A rebel crowned by the wind's quiet kiss.
I climbed the ridge where whispers flow, the air so pure it steals the show. A quiet hum fills up my chest. In the mountains I find my rest. The echoes drift through pine and stone. The heart beats wild yet not alone. The sky feels close, it pulls me near. Anything's possible right here. In the hush of the peaks I'm free. The world's unwritten destiny. I breathe it in, I let it out. In these heights there's no room for doubt. The rivers carve soft secret tunes. The valleys bathe in silver moons. A different rhythm, a different pace in this wild, boundless space. The weight I carried starts to fall. The open skies, they hear it all. Veins pulsing with endless belief. Up here there's only sweet relief. In the hush of the peaks I'm free. The world's unwritten destiny. I breathe it in, I let it out. In these heights there's no room for doubt.
Winds whisper soft through the ancient trees, carving out paths where dreams run free. Feathers flutter through a boundless sky, unchained, unbroken, I learn to fly. Like a free bird I rise through the haze, eyes on the sun in its burning embrace. No map to guide me, no end to chase. Wild and untamed, I carve my own space. jagged peaks call, their echoes collide. With every flap, I leave doubts behind. The clouds are my friends, the stars my guide. Through valleys deep, through the moonlit tide. Like a free bird I rise through the haze. Eyes on the sun in its burning embrace. No map to guide me, no end to chase. Wild and untamed, I carve my own space. The world looks small from up so high. The weight of it all just drifts and dies. Each gust a whisper, each current a sign, telling me soar, it'll all align. Like a free bird I rise through the haze. Eyes on the sun in its burning embrace. No map to guide me, no end to chase. Wild and untamed, I carve my own space. The light is crawling, painting the sky. Whispered secrets where clouds lie. Crisp air dances on my skin. A world of wonders, here it begins. Feel the hush where the peaks collide. Soul is stirring, the heart's open wide. Morning whispers, the world stands still. Mountains call and my spirit fills. Trees are scribbling poems in the breeze. Their words sink deep, the kind that please. Streams hum softly, a natural choir. Each note lifting my heart higher. Feel the hush where the peaks collide. Soul is stirring, the heart's open wide. Morning whispers, the world stands still. Mountains call and my spirit fills. Let thoughts go running wild and free. Let them echo in eternity. Every stone seems to hold a tale. Quiet truths in this valley unveil. The horizon blushes, kissed by gold. This moment slips, but never grows old.
endless delight.
Whisper of the wind, it calls my name. Beneath the sky I feel the same. Morning mist, it wraps my soul. Standing here I feel whole. I am the mountain, strong and true. Through the world may change, the storms may howl, but I will rise beneath the clouds. Echoes in the valley, soft and low. A steady heart where rivers flow. Every step it brings me near to the quiet edge where doubts clear. I am the mountain, strong and true. In this same place, time fades slow, yeah, leaves no trace. The sun may sink, the moon may rise, still the strength within me crystallizes. I am the mountain, strong and true, rooted deep, unshaken through. The world may change, the storms may howl, but I will rise beneath the clouds.
I breathe the morning cool and wide, the whispering pines in their silent glide. A stream hums low in a timeless tune, under the watch of the fading moon. The amber light spills through the trees, unfolding. Warmth on a lazy breeze. cradle strength in her silent form. Their quiet roar, a gentle plea to find your roots and set them free. The shadow